still, you know, was really to seek knowledge, you know, and you know what I say, to strengthen the far right mission when me depend.
Yeah, man.
And you know what I say, as me say, me give thanks.
Yeah, man.
And even after now, when we go link up with David House and with the Prophet,
And next
as
level,
my
yeah.
next mentor
Yeah.
again, and my teacher, and my general, you don't know, I mean, it's more like, it's like me I go university
Yeah,
now.
man. Yeah.
'Cause you know you learn more and it's like people challenge you as back then, like in the 90s when I rise as Rasta youth, you know, some people I say, oh man, yeah, but the greatest thing is, you know, knowledge is power, you know, when we check every time, you know, and say, them Iowa there, you know, it's not like now. A lot of youth them rise and it's them not really
Overs.
would I use the word like them not really affiliated with Rasta, but them grow locks and them